Hey there, I'm Jeff. And I've been a super host for Airbnb for about 5 years now. And I'm going to try and give you some pointers on making a bedroom Airbnb worthy. All right, guys, first and foremost, to keep an Airbnb good quality, it needs to stay clean. From the baseboards to no dust bunnies under the bed. I need window seals clean. We need windows clean. Also, think about it. You need lights and light bulbs. The place needs light. You also need to keep all the window coverings clean. If that entails vacuuming, that's great, but usually you want to put a little hand towel on them and make sure they're staying clean for your guests. Listen and listen well. 2 words, bed linens. You cannot skimp on this. Over here, for instance, this right here is a comforter. We are not going to use a comforter because it takes too long to wash, and once it's dirty, it's too expensive to replace. What I suggest is a duvet. Something like this, nice quality. You can put a duvet cover on top of either a winter or a spring insert, and works well because you can clean it after everybody that sleeps there, every time. While we're on the subject of the bed still, we're going to need some pillows. Approximately 4 of them. 2 of them are really super comfy ones. 2 of them are reading. And then sprinkle in a few decorative ones like this. Doesn't matter if they're like this size, but you're gonna want them in front and they're gonna look so good. If you're on a budget with these pillows and you wanna purchase standard pillows and not the gigantic Euro pillows, that's totally fine. All right, folks, now we're on to the linens, preferably sheets. Come closer. You're really gonna wanna get something that's soft. When you take it out of the package, if you can see through it, that's not what you want. Throw it back. You want this, something soft as a baby's butt. Makes you almost wanna go to sleep. One more little tip before you're done buying your stuff, get a fitted sheet for the box spring. You'll thank me for that later. Number 3, on to big number 3. It's a desk and a chair in your room. For those who are coming with iPads and a desk that they want to work at, you're going to have to provide. So around that desk, you want to have like a plug-in so they can plug their phone in. These people are always going to want to plug these things in. It's been very difficult since my operation to do this, but you plug this into the end. Should have like this. Should be fine. Anyway, back to the desk. I apologize. Things are all crazy. Also, you want to have on the desk jar for pens and pencils for those archaic people that do write notes and thank yous and things like that. Like notes to thank their hosts. That's what you really want it there for. On to number 4, the elusive number 4. This is total bedside table. You don't want your guests having nowhere to sit their phone at night. Their lipstick, their chapstick, you might want to put that on. Put it on. Where are you going to put it? You're going to put it on your table. Also, you're going to have tissues. You want to have your tissues right there for them to use. Put on. Where are they going to put it? They're going to put it on the table. Also, a lot of people drink. What if they have a water at night? Where are they going to put that? On the floor? No. That's the last place you want it. It's going to sit on your bedside table. All right, I'm almost done taking your time up on this, but number 5 would be the small little things, which God knows it's about all the little things in an Airbnb. First and foremost, smells. You want your place to smell good. These are small, smelly things that plug in the wall from Bath and Body Works. They smell good. I can't tell you what the name of it is, but it's not too expensive. Plug those in the wall. Your people will remember it for their whole stay and beyond. Another tidbit, for some reason, everybody likes having a nightlight here or there. I think it makes them feel safe, but you might provide a nightlight either in the bedroom or the hall. Who cares? They will. Lastly, water that you could provide for your Airbnb. Don't just provide them some tap water to drink. Give them an Evian, something special from some far off land would be great because they feel like it's special. But don't forget your Europeans like the bubbly Perrier. Set that out. And also, either in the beginning or at the end, leave them a handwritten note that you've been there or that you said hello or to enjoy your stay, because that too will stick around with them forever and they'll remember that. And Maybe you'll get a 5-star out of it. All right, have a good one. Come back and see me again.